I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by loading a clean model and a paint-ready UV map so painting behaves predictably. Once done, set a 2K or 4K texture and assign material channels like base color, roughness, and normal. Make sure to triangulate or apply modifiers that will affect topology. Then bake a simple ID map and ambient occlusion to guide masking. This gives fast selection and preserves detail. You're now ready to pick brushes and an initial color palette and begin direct strokes. You block in major color and material differences using fill layers and large soft brushes to establish readable silhouettes. Then, switch to medium brushes and stencils to add edge wear, dirt, and surface variation. Procedural masks save time by repeating patterns across UDIM. Make sure to paint normal and roughness together to keep lighting consistent, and use a non-destructive layer workflow so you can tweak blend modes and opacity. Once satisfied, refine edges and small surface imperfections. You refine by adding micro details with tiny alphas and dodge/burn on roughness to sell specular response. Then bake final maps including base color, normal, roughness, metallic, and ow. Make sure to export in the correct color space, sRGB for color, linear for non-color data, and preserve UDIM numbering. If you see seams or odd shading, recheck UV overlap, flip normals, and ensure your normal map format matches the target renderer. A quick rebake usually fixes texture mismatch issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.